Hi there guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just Crypto. As you know, this channel is all about cryptocurrencies, tokens, websites and projects in which you can invest and get a good return. So please do subscribe to my channel, press the like button and hit the bell icon so you will be notified about the upcoming videos. Thank you. So the website we are doing today is Crypto Island. Crypto Island, our destination for decentralization, Crypto Island, freedom to co-own and co-build. We have the mission statement, Crypto and community to unite like-minded people with a decentralized economy on a private island owned by you. We have a list of influencers who already promoted it. You can check it out. And Crypto Island is a community-driven token. Crypto Island token is set to break the boundaries between practicing decentralizing in the digital space and adoption in the physical realm of everyday life. But we are on upping this by doing it all on a private island. By owning Sisla, you earn your place as a co-builder of the community and very importantly a co-owner of Crypto Island itself. Set up to the plate. Crypto Island is essentially real estate that will be built upon the like of its people, you. With our no-nonsense tokenomic investing means you have contributed to the livelihood. The 10% fee ensure a sustainable liquidity pool and a reasonable cost of living in the island for its whole population. Take a crucial step. You are on the threshold of creating the world's first decentralized private island. Cross it today by joining us and becoming a corner of Crypto Island. As seen in Yahoo Finance, AP, Associated Press, and then we have the roadmap, the milestones ahead. These are basically the goals and objectives that are already predefined by the Crypto Island group. And these are the accomplished goals, and these are conceptualization of Crypto Island token, launch website, channels and social media, release official white paper, YouTube video releases, full smart contract audit track rate dot original, fair launch, generate global press release about the island, physical marketing campaign, digital marketing campaign, applying for critic token audit, listing on CoinGecko and creating merchandise. Phase 1. Listing on CoinMarketCap, public certic audit report, implement easy purchase method like buying with credit cards, strengthen team with developers, marketeers, and attorney, laying legal groundwork for island, onboarding consultancies, strategic partners, island scouting, exploration with video AMAs, TV interviews and appearances, and NASDAQ billboard. Phase 2. Develop proprietary app logarithm, launch B2B partnership web application, secure or solidify island partnerships, launch Crypto Island NFTs, choose host country and start international office and geo-targeted marketing. Phase 3 consists of establish legal entities and incorporate Crypto Island Group, launch community app, visit the island with 3 community members on over expenses and a VIP, multiple exchange listing, record-breaking launch of the world first TBA, RD, 3D rendering of island. Phase 4. Phase 4 consists of start purchasing the first Crypto Island with Island Wallet, B2B partnership, sponsorship of brands, NFT collection, advertising spots, multiple video stream with the progression of the island, and the phase 5, the last phase, which is basically about start infrastructure of the island, residents, receptions, restaurants, accessibility, security, botanical garden, renewable energy resources, community lodging, partnership with the locals, full Crypto Island documentary, and initiate and conduct more revenue, income stream, and celebratory Crypto Island party. These are the spotlights. These are basically the videos. You can check it out. So we have the tokenomics, a clear picture. We believe Tesla should be as straightforward as possible, therefore no advanced smart contract are in use. This is basically a written tutorial to how to buy on PancakeSwap. Simply click on the copy button and copy the address, then click on the buy on PancakeSwap and then simply put the address here, and we have the token. You can exchange Tesla against BNB only. So you can connect your wallet and do the transaction. And then we have the chart. In this chart you can get to know about total supply, market cap, Tesla transactions, contracts, holders, and other information you need to know. Then we have the token offered. It is basically 1 trillion, number of holders 8,300 plus, market cap 17 million, fair launch time 21 August 2021. And we have a how to buy video tutorial. You can check it out. And then we have the frequently asked questions with their answers. What is Tesla? Crypto Island token is a digital currency based on the Binance Smart Chain. Tesla will be the only payment option on the world's first community-driven private island, and also the power behind the realization and conceptualization of island itself. Second question is, what cryptocurrency can I use to purchase? For now, Crypto Island token can only be purchased with BNB on PancakeSwap, as I told you earlier. Is the liquidity locked? As we are strong believers in honesty and transparency, we have locked the liquidity for a period of 1 year in the early stages. When the 1 year period ends, the community will decide if the wallet will be locked or and for how long. Is this contract audited? This contract is successfully audited by CertiK. If you want to read the audited contract, you can check it out. And what will be the 10% fees be used for? 10% fees is necessary to keep the liquidity pool sufficient and guarantee the purchase of island. The distribution of the fee will be 4% for purchasing the crypto island, 3% for maintaining a liquidity pool, and 2% for the marketing fund, and 1% for holders reward. And what is the role the Tesla token play in our ecosystem? Not only will be purchased the island with the help of token, but token will be also be the native and only payment method on the island itself. It will also be the only payment option of our merchandise and in-app purchase in the community app. The token is basically the red thread throughout the whole project. What will be the use of community app? We are developing a community app that will make a huge difference in terms of social media nowadays. The app will mainly function as a social media app where our community can engage digitally with each other. But aside from that, we are also implementing different features that are unique in the way the community will be rewarded based on the help and effort they put in the community. The best part about this is that the app does this both digitally and physically. So for example, let's say you are on island and you open the community app. You see the neighbors next door has open request for someone to help change a light bulb in his home. If you go to help him, you both can put that in the request and the neighbor can award you points. Based on these points, you can read different threads and get more voting rights in the whole project. The next question is, how active will the community be involved in the decision making? This is basically a very important question according to me. The whole process of this project is built upon the community. So the community will have the voting right in every decision, from choosing the location of the island and amenities on the island to presenting and voting on board members and key figures. By contributing to the community, they earn certain loyalty points. Based on how many points they have earned, they will be categorized in different threads. Once you have reached silver tier, you will get more voting rights and get access to the bigger decision making pools. Will someone who own a lot of Sisla token have more rights. The beauty of this project is that it doesn't matter how many money you have and how many token you own. This decision making is not based on capital, but also more on the individual contribution to the community and the island. So everyone has equal chance no matter what. This is basically a decentralized token, and this is the main function of the token and the project. And next we have the team members with their LinkedIn IDs and some with their Instagram or YouTube account also. You can check it out. You can follow them on LinkedIn. And there is a list of their partners: CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Certic, PancakeSwap, and BSC Scan. If you want to join our team on this journey, you can have a link. Apply now. And then we have their Discord, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit account. So you can check it out. And this is basically the Telegram link. You can join the Telegram community through this link. And that's it. Hope this video is beneficial for you and you like it. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.